There is one undeniable truth. If almost every country in the world is in debt today, then who is actually responsible for this? Take the United States, for example. It is currently carrying around $38 trillion in debt. This is the highest level of debt not only in its own history, but in the history of the world. The European Union stands at around 14 trillion, and Japan is close to 9 trillion. Even oil-rich countries like Saudi Arabia or economic giants like Germany and China are drowning in debt as well. They borrow too. Doesn't something feel strange here? If everyone is in debt, then who are we borrowing from and why? These are questions that have troubled financial historians and me for years. Because this isn't just about money. For me, it's a personal realization. It's about power, history, and the system itself. And yes, this is not simple. But together, we're about to make it easy to understand. Money is not just a problem. It is the structural backbone of the modern world. Wars, crises, economic booms and collapses, ups and downs. All of them are built on this invisible structure called debt. If you follow the trail of debt long enough, you begin to notice something strange. The world never fully pays its debts, not even to itself. We're talking about a world that is both debtor and creditor at the same time, and yet somehow the system still works. And in one way or another, everyone benefits from it. But how? Today, total global debt has grown far beyond the size of the global economy itself. To find the answer, we need to rewind time all the way back to the beginning. The modern debt system did not begin with credit cards or digital money. It wasn't born on Wall Street or inside shopping malls. The truth is, it was born in the middle of a war. The year is 1694. England is at war with France. The treasury is empty, people are suffering, scarcity is at its limit, and gold is running out. Then something interesting happened. The king, desperate, turned to merchants and said, "Rather lend me money now, and I will pay you back later." Think about that. A king had begun spending future taxes today. To manage this new and extremely risky system, a new institution was needed. That is why, as a rational starting point of the system, the Bank of England was established. From that moment on, states no longer borrowed with gold. They borrowed with trust. Everyone seemed happy. But the people of that time could not see where this would eventually lead. And the world was never the same again.